This gorgeous 3-bedroom plus den single-family pool home is the one you've been yearning for. Fall in love with the neutral gray colors and dark wood floors, its soaring high ceilings, beautiful bright kitchen, the center of this open floor plan, perfect for your every need. Located on an oversized lot with privacy in the Kingsway Golf and CC neighborhood, you will be minutes from everything. Enjoy our Florida sunshine under the covered lanai and by the sparkling pool. This home has a brand new pool heater, 2020, and AC, 2020. The living areas face the lanai with a partial lake view, perfectly angled for stunning Florida sunsets through the breakfast nook aquarium window. A gourmet kitchen is the heart of this home with a breakfast bar, upgraded appliances, under-counter lighting, tiled backsplash, built-in desk area and so much storage, cabinets. Spacious master bedroom with a sitting area, sliders to the lanai, tons of closet space and a large master bathroom. Split bedroom floor plan, back guest bedroom has a vaulted ceiling, both with walk-in closets.